Have you ever found yourself wasting hours in your favorite project management tool, manually copying and pasting data from one template to another? Notion, a popular all-in-one workspace, has taken a world by storm with its flexibility and customization options. But did you know that you can unlock even more power by tapping into the Notion API? In this tutorial, we'll delve into the world of automation and show you how to use the Notion API to streamline your workspace and supercharge your productivity. Notion's API is a game changer for users who want to take their workflows to the next level. It provides a set of tools and libraries that allow developers to access and manipulate Notion data programmatically. This means you can write custom scripts to automate repetitive tasks, integrate Notion with other apps, and even build custom interfaces using the Notion API. To get started, you'll need a Notion account, a code editor or IDE like Visual Studio Code, and a basic understanding of programming concepts.